In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an API key on Wix. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a beginner looking to expand your site's functionality, generating an API key is a fundamental step that allows you to integrate third-party applications seamlessly. Let's dive right into the process and explore how you can achieve this with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to wix.com. Open your preferred web browser, type in wix.com, and hit enter. Once you're on the Wix homepage, log into your account. If you're not yet signed in, simply click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. After logging in, direct your attention to the dashboard. This is where you can manage all your Wix sites and their settings. Now you'll need to click on Account Settings. This option is usually found in the menu at the left of the page. By accessing the account settings, you can manage various aspects of your account, including subscriptions, billing, domain settings, and the crucial step here, API settings. With the account settings open, look for the API key section. It's typically listed alongside other account management options. Click on it to proceed. The API key section is where you'll manage all your existing API keys and create new ones for your projects. Next, it's time to generate a key. Click on the Generate API Key button, which is prominently displayed on this page. This action allows you to create a new key that you can use for integrating apps. A form will appear, prompting you to input a key name. Choose a descriptive name that will help you identify the purpose of this API key later on. This step is crucial for keeping your projects organized, especially if you plan to create multiple API keys in the future. Once you've entered the key name, confirm your action. Wix will now generate your API key. Make sure to keep a record of this key in a secure place. Remember, your API key is sensitive information that should be treated like a password. It grants access to parts of your site, and you wouldn't want it falling into the wrong hands. By following these steps, you have successfully generated an API key on Wix. This key is now ready to be used for connecting various applications to your site and expanding its functionalities. Always remember to manage and monitor your API keys carefully to ensure your website's security and performance. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to create new API keys for other projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the process.